I have here a very boring web page. I need to do something to improve it. I'm going to use alignment, probably for a heading, and width for lines, and color. I'm going to do it in Notepad. If you're going to be doing anything to something on a web page, you have to do it in Element. I have here an element of a heading 1, and that is an element of a horizontal line. And here we have an element of a paragraph, and there we have the element for the whole body of this web page. I'm going to look here at the heading 1, and I would like this to be aligned in the center. I'm going to use an attribute, and what I'm looking for, the name of this attribute is align, and I want it to be aligned in the center. The value is center. Whatever I want has got to be in quotation marks. So I've aligned that in the center. I could have aligned it left, right, and if it was longer, I could have aligned it with full justification, justify. But this one, align it in the center. Let me save and have a look and see if it worked. Yes, it did. Good. So now I know how to align something. Now I want to have a look at the horizontal rule. The horizontal rules here at the moment are all right across the page. Let us vary that. Horizontal rule. Inside it, I'm going to use the attribute width. Now I've got the name width, and I need it to have a value. Now there, the value was center, and that was inside quotation marks. This one, 500, must be inside quotation marks. That is 500 pixels. Let me save and look quickly. There it is, 500 pixels wide. Now, what happens if that screen is very big and it was only 500 pixels? Let's see what happens here when we make this horizontal rule 50%. It would then be 50% of whatever the width of the screen. Width, quotation mark, quotation mark. I normally like to leave some spaces there for my use, so I can see better. Save, refresh. Yes, that's 50%, and it will be 50% of whatever size that particular web page is. Right now, we need some color. Notepad. Now, up until now, I have one attribute in an element. I'm going to add another attribute, color. Color equals red. That horizontal line, horizontal rule, is going to be 500 pixels wide, and it's going to have the color red. But this one won't work. Why? It needs proper quotation marks. Full quotation marks. Let me have a look. File, save, refresh. Yes. What I've done here is I have two attributes in one element. But what about the body? I'm going to put the BG color equals yellow. Background color. That will be background color for the whole body. Body, the element body, yes. Save. Yes. So we've had a look at alignment and width of lines and color.